Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna go do a quick daily dash. What we're gonna do is try to pay off our Markley grill. I'm gonna go get some food from Markley grill, which is like a Hawaiian place. It's super good. It's quickly become one of my favorite places in Las Vegas. We're here for a couple days just doing a show at Tivoli Village in Summerlin, and we got the Toyota Supra. We're gonna try to pay off our quick meal real quick. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do, is try to pay off your expenses as they come in by using side hustle apps and stuff. We're back. We haven't been making any vlogs for a while. Camera's dirty and rusty, but I got a new microphone. I don't know if you can see that microphone or not, but anyways, it's big and bad, and there is absolutely no way that this is gonna fit on the car. So we'll get back to you guys as soon as we get an order, see what today leads us. And you know, sometimes we do these daily dashes and we don't get anything, so let's see what we get. All right, before we get started, I know you guys all know who watch my YouTube channel that this is not my typical car that I would do like a Doordash order in or something, but we're doing a quick side hustle video in the Toyota Supra and just see how, if this was my car that I would be driving as a daily driver to do some Doordash or something, side hustle stuff, just to see how it would be. You know, we did some of these experiments in the Tesla. The Tesla is obviously an amazing car for it. Probably like the most ideal car. This probably is not an ideal car, but let's do it and see what we get. The one thing that I would say is a huge thing is the wireless Apple CarPlay in this car. That is a huge one, because every single time I get in my car, I gotta plug it in. You've all heard the annoying stereo sound that comes on. Like if you watch my videos, there's an annoying, if I don't plug in my phone right away, the car just goes full blast to like static almost every single time. So it's really annoying, but anyways, that's one of these benefits. All right, let's drive on. All right, got a quick order. I actually turned down a ton of orders. A lot of them were going on the strip and stuff. You know that's a horrible idea if you're living in Las Vegas to deliver to the strip. Got a lot of bullshit orders, but this one is four miles for $8, which I would assume is probably got a double tip in there. It's the first time we've done Doordash in quite a long time, I gotta be honest. But we got one that's from Wingstop, which is literally almost next door to Markley grill. We are blurry. Let's unblurry ourselves. There we go. All right, we got Markley. Well, I'm at Markley. I'm gonna grab my food real quick. This food for Wingstop is supposed to be ready in 6 minutes. So just grab that real quick, and then the order is on the way back. And I would assume there's a double tip in there, but who knows? This car is so damn small, and I'm definitely not look at how nice these seats are. This food is certainly going in the trunk, because there's this car is tiny, and there's absolutely nowhere to put anything in here. So anyways, let's go get these orders. Let's do this. This is so much fun, guys. All right, quick little update. So we got another order for $6 for 1.2 extra miles from Markley grill as I was literally at the register. They always look at you awkward when you're like getting food and you're paying out and you're like, oh yeah, and I also have one more order. And then I walk over to Wingstop, I grab that order, which they're both in the trunk right now. And the dude's like, are you really Door Dashing in a Toyota Supra? I'm like, it's hilarious, man. I had to give him a quick lowdown. All right, anyways, let's do this. I obviously can't drive or can't talk and drive. And we are running out of battery and light. So I will get back to you guys as soon as I drop off both these orders, which are about a few miles away, 4 miles or 3 miles, something like that. Be right back. Let's do this. All right, so we are pulling up to the last spot. The first delivery gave me an extra $2 tip, so that means this delivery we are at least getting $16, which means my $14.74 order at Markley grill is completely paid off. This is how we do it. If you're on a budget, I would highly recommend to everyone to try to do these practices that I do of just making sure that you pay everything. Like if you buy something, try to pay it off by doing a little quick Doordash or whatever it is your little side hustle is. Because if you're watching this channel, this is all side hustle stuff, you know? So hopefully you guys have some kind of side hustle. Let me know down below, what app do you guys do? I'm gonna be starting to do since I don't really do deliveries anymore, I'm gonna be doing like Turo app. It was funny when, after I dropped off the Mackay Grill at the first place, the kid, like as I was pulling away, he like pulled out his phone, probably to like Snapchat, like, dude, what the fuck? There's a yellow Supra delivery driver. It is so awkward and not practical, but this has been a fun video. I'll be right back after I drop off this order. All right, well, that was a fun little video. It is too dark to continue to film, and we're getting more orders. Tropical Smoothie Cafe, shit orders. Anyways, this was a fun video. It was completely unpractical. You would never, ever drive a Toyota Supra to do DoorDash, but it was fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think of the new videos and stuff that we've been posting? Trying to get back on the daily videos, or at least close to daily. At least like 3 or 4 times a week we're gonna be doing videos, but I'm gonna be putting basically all of my ad revenue into creation of the video, so that way at least the videos are more exciting. Maybe next time we'll rent a Lamborghini and do DoorDash. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. This was a fun video. I love this car. I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna buy one, to be honest, but I think I'm gonna get white. What should I get? Should I get a white Toyota Supra, red? I want to get it black, but honestly, like, if I'm getting, I definitely would not get yellow. Yellow is not my thing, but I think I would get red, or I've never had a red car before. Maybe white. Let me know what you guys think. Comments down below. If you guys enjoyed these videos at all, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. More side hustle stuff coming up, and if you guys have any ideas on what you guys want me to see next, also, should I get a Lamborghini? They're only like 800 bucks a day. Should I get a Lamborghini and DoorDash? Let me know in the comments down below. How preposterous would that be? But I think I'm gonna do it, to be honest. So anyways, thank you guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me, and make sure you check out my footwear company at offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye to the Supra. Well, actually, we have two more days with this thing, so do a full Supra review tomorrow. All right, peace, guys.